Did you know that black tea is known as red tea in China? Oh yeah, it was first developed in China, and this name comes from the color of its brew. Welcome back to Silva Guide, viewers. Do you like black tea? Black tea's nutrients seem to be lighting the health world on fire. Aside being stronger and more oxidized than the other teas, black tea possesses a lot of health benefits. Not only is this tea popular for its antibacterial properties, but it's also packed with potent antioxidants. Interestingly, this healthy drink is very easy to make and can be taken at any time of the day. In today's video, we'll be discussing the surprising health benefits of black tea. Can it keep you alert? How does black tea help in managing diabetes? We'll be talking about all these and more, so sit back and enjoy. Surprising health benefits of black tea. Number 1. It may help manage diabetes. If you're still torn between the fears of what will happen to my body if I drink black tea every day and possible side effects of black tea, you'll definitely make up your mind after learning about its impact on your blood sugar level. Drinking black tea may help you in managing symptoms of diabetes. According to a research published in Annals of Nutrition and Metabolism, frequent consumption of this tea has anti-inflammatory and anti-oxidative effects in people with type 2 diabetes. Also, regular consumption of black tea has been associated with reduced levels of fasting blood glucose and lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Are you still ignoring this tea? Make yourself a cup of black tea before you leave the house. Number 2. It may prevent strokes. According to statistics, stroke is the leading cause of death globally. Luckily, in most cases, it can be prevented. Black tea prevents strokes by reversing the abnormal functioning of blood vessels, which may lead to strokes. Wait, want to know how much black tea a day is healthy? Researchers have shown that drinking more than 1 cup of black or green tea a day helps in preventing ischemic strokes. A review of 4,378 cases of ischemic stroke published in American Heart Association journal Stroke showed that drinking more than 3 cups of tea daily reduced the risk of stroke by 21% when compared to taking only 1 cup. Number 3. May improve digestion. Are you suffering from digestive disorders? Well, black tea can help, thanks to its anti-inflammatory property. In addition to this, black tea contains tannin and other digestive system-friendly chemicals that may have a positive and relaxing effect on the digestive system. More so, animal research on black tea has shown that the compounds in black tea are potent in fighting stomach ulcers. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our thousands of viewers by hitting that subscribe button. Ring the bell to get notified of our latest videos. Number 4. May prevent Parkinson's. This is one of the surprising health benefits of black tea. Although the reason for this ability is often contradictory, a lot of research attributes it to the caffeine found in black tea. Another study attributes this ability to the powerful polyphenols. No matter the reason, studies agree that black tea shows potential in preventing Parkinson's disease. Number 5. May Improve Alertness. Want to stay alert and finish your tasks? A glass of black tea can help. Black tea contains the psychostimulant caffeine, which enhances alertness and improves performance. Studies on black tea have revealed that black tea improves performance and accuracy immediately after consumption. Did you find this video helpful? Start a conversation with our community. We'd be glad to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends.